Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So Yoonji and Junyoung played one game in the segment where Junyoung had to make the move and Yoonji had to make the sound. So Junyoung was lifting dumbbell and Yoonji was making sound, but it became so hilarious that they both just burst out in laughing. Also, when Yeon grabs confetti, she realizes the confetti's color is the same as of her dress. Then gave her one confetti, and after one, he starts collecting them for Yeon and gave her many confettis.